Now we are discussing the another part of integration of the form. See this, the form is writing in a red ball pen here. The integration of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx. And again another form is integration of px plus q divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c is here, isn't it? Okay, for this solution of this, take it the first integration form. The integration of px plus q divided by x square plus bx plus c is dx into dx is here. How to solve this integration? First upon we have to understand that how the steps is involved to solution of this integral, this such type of the integration of the form. Now such is called as the numerator and the denominator. The nm stands for numerator and dm stands for denominator is here, isn't it? The first step is the numerator. Taken this numerator is equal to the a is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b, where a and the b are arbitrary constants, isn't it? Okay, now see here, the second steps is obtain the values of a and the b by the coefficients of x and the power of x also, isn't it? Okay, after this obtaining the values of a and the b, we have to take on the step third. Replace the numerator by px plus q, means this numerator is replaced by the a into twice of ax plus b twice of ax plus b, it is right, plus capital B, isn't it? This b is stands for the obtaining the values of a and b, and this b, a capital A and the capital B obtains the arbitrary constants, isn't it? Okay, now after that, ending these three steps, we get the integration, the px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx is as like this. The integration of this can be written as a is the arbitrary constant into integration of twice of ax plus b, plus is here, plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, plus capital B, this is the arbitrary constant, integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Similarly, this integration is also written like this using these steps. Now see the example on this. First upon, we have to see that the example, in that of the example, px plus q stands for 3x plus 4 and ax square plus bx plus c is stands for x square plus 6x plus 5. Now how can be written as, the suppose we have to take on the first step is numerator, and the numerator is equal to what is it? The arbitrary constant a into derivative of d upon dx of, there should be a denominator and plus b. Put this value in this equation, there should be a, we have to take on 3x plus 4 is equal to a into d upon dx of denominator, means that the x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b is arbitrary constant is here. Now see here, after taken the derivative, this is equal to a into derivative of this is twice of x plus, and this derivative of this is 6, and the derivative of 5 became the 0, that's why I am not written here, and the plus b is here, isn't it? Okay, now there should be a multiplied by this a twice of ax plus 6 of a plus b. Simplify or rearrange as the proper manner. There should be a twice of ax plus into bracket there should be a 6a plus b, and this is equal to 3x plus 4. Step second, the comparing the coefficients of the x. Then this is equal to this and this is equal to this, means there should be a 3x is equal to twice of ax, means this x get cancelled, and then we have to taken the value of a is equal to, there should be a this 2 to this side, means the 3 by 2, and this is the value of a. Okay, we have to find out the first arbitrary constant a. Again, comparing this to this, we have to take on the 4 is equal to 6a plus b. Then again, rearranging this term, we have to take on the values of a put into this equation, means the 4 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3 by 2, means instead of this here we have to take in this value, and the plus b, means the value of b is taken out, means the 4 is equal to 9 plus b is here. Then the values of b is equal to minus 5 is here. Then the second arbitrary value are given out. Then again we have to take on the put this value in this original integration. This original integration, instead of 3x plus 4 we have the value of this equation, isn't it? Okay, now substitute this equation, integration I is become, instead of this we have to write the value of a. Value of a is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2, and there should be a derivative of d upon dx of the x square plus 6x plus 5, and instead of b we have to write the minus 5 here. Here should be a plus b, and plus multiplied by minus is here. Now again the denominator should as it is, there should be a, which is the denominator, x square plus 6x plus 5 is here into dx. How can be written as? There should be a rearranging this term. After the rearranging this term, how can be two integrations are separate for? There should be a separate the integration 3 by 2 into integration of d upon dx of x square plus 6x plus 5. This 5 is here and this bracket is here, and there should be a x square plus 6x plus 5 is here. Then again minus 5 times of integration of dx is here, and x square plus 6x plus 5. Two integral are separated here. Now see, how can be written as? Here should be a derivative of this, means the f dash of x upon f of x. By using this rule we have to write 3 by 2 as it is. There should be a log of f of x, means that the magnitude of x square plus 6x plus 5, isn't it? Okay, and the minus 5 integration of dx upon x square plus 6x plus 5 is remaining here. Now this integral is solved by the rules of, there should be a integration of, rules of integration of dx upon, suppose there should be a x square minus a square. Okay, now use this rule to this equation. Again we have to write the next steps. There should be a, again I have to write, there should be a 3 by 2 log of magnitude of x square plus 6x plus 5 as it is, and the minus 5 integration of, there should be a dx is as it is, and simplify this term. Which term? X square plus 6x plus 5. How can be written as? There should be a, this is the x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 4, isn't it? Okay, how can be written as? I have to take on the 3 by 2 log of magnitude of x square plus 6x plus 5 is as it is, minus 5 times of integration of, we have to take on this equation and this equation, this term and this term. This term is the power of, there should be a x plus 3 and bracket square, and this term is power of 2 square, means this is the form of, there should be a integration of 1 upon x square minus a square. Then simplify this using this rule. We have to take on 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 as it is, minus 5 times of integration of dx upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 2 square. Now again I have to write 3 by 2 log of magnitude of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus multiplied by, how can be written as? The integration of this is nothing but the 1 upon twice of a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Using this rule, the 1 upon twice of a stands for 2 is here, 2 multiplied by 2 into log of magnitude of x stands for, here is the x is nothing but the bracket, means the x plus 3 minus 2 x minus a. This is the x and this is the, this x is like this bracket. Okay, now x plus 3 plus 2 and the plus constant of integration c. Rearranging this, all this, simplifying or the rearranging, 3 by 2 log of magnitude of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 upon 4. 4 is became 2 multiplied by 2 and log of magnitude of x plus 1. How is 1? Plus 3 minus 2. Then there should be addition of plus 3 and minus 2 should be a 1. And then we have to take on x plus 5 here. X plus 5 is here and the constant of integration c. Now this is the complete answer of the given problem. Okay, again we have to discuss about the another problem, another integration of by part. First of all, we have to discuss about the integration by part. Within the using this rule, integration of by part rule, the integration of u into v dx. How can be solved as? The first upon, this is the first function, this is the second function. It is equal to u into integration of second function v dx minus into integration minus integration of du upon dx, means the derivative of first function multiplied by integration of second v dx, isn't it? Okay. For this, using the solution of bipart rule, we must have to understand that the LIAT rule. By using the LIAT rule, we can solve this such a type of the integral. First upon LIATE. L stands for logarithmic functions, I stands for inverse trigonometric functions, A stands for algebraic function, and T stands for trigonometric function, and E stands for exponential. Suppose here should be we have to take on the two function. The first is x function and the another is logarithmic function. First of all, by using this rule, this function is a first function and this function is the second function within this problem only, isn't it? Means this function is written as, it is not essentiality of written like this, but we have to write like this: log of x first function. I have, for the solution of this problem, I have to write the first function at the first stage and the x into dx, means it is the easy for understanding the student. Now we have to discuss about the solution of this. First upon, we have to use the above rule. There should be a, how can be written as above rule? Above rule stands that integration of this using the LIT rule, the first function is as it is, u, means the log of x. Integration of second function means that the x dx minus as it is. Then integration sign, then d upon dx of the first function means log of x. Log of x is here. Then again multiplied by integration of, x, means the v, means the second function, x into dx and multiplied by dx. Now how can be solved? First upon, log of x is as it, and the integration of x raised to 1 means x, how can be written as, it is x square divided by 2 minus, again we have to take on the integration sign. First upon, we have to solve this. What is this meaning of this bracket? This bracket stands that this derivative of log of x, and what is the derivative of log of x? The 1 upon x. This is the multiplication sign is here, and the integration of again x, what is it? The x square divided by 2 into dx is as it is. I have to take on this to this side, the x square divided by 2 into log of x minus, again 1/2 taken outside, remaining should have this x is get cancelled and this x, the remaining have only x into dx, isn't it? Okay. Now again solve the x square divided by 2 as it is, log of x as it is minus 1/2 as it is, and the integration of this term is again multiplied by x square divided by 2 and plus constant of integration c. Again the last stage, the integration of x into log of x dx can be written as the x square divided by 2 into log of x minus 2 multiplied by 4 means the x square divided by 4 plus constant of integration c, and this is the solution is completed.